Hello everybody, this will be the first of several different problems that I will be solving in order to help prepare you for the midterm exams. So here we go, I'll jump right into it. So this problem is working with imaginary numbers, and it's 4 minus I divided by 9 plus I. As you might recall, in order to simplify this problem, we're going to have to multiply by the conjugate. Recall, the conjugate is just going to be the same bottom, but just flip the sign on the imaginary number. So in this case, it will be 9 minus I instead of 9 plus I. It will multiply that on top and bottom, so we're just multiplying by a factor of 1. So if we multiply on the top, 4 minus I times 9 minus I, and on the bottom 9 plus I and 9 minus I. Okay, so now it's just a matter of foiling out the top and the bottom and simplifying, and we'll have our answer. So on the top, 4 times 9 is 36. Then we have a minus 9i and a minus 4i, which will give us a minus 13i. And then minus I times minus I will give us a plus I squared. Okay, and then on the bottom, we'll have 9 times 9 is 81. Then we have a 9i and a minus a 9i from the outer and the inner terms. And those will cancel each other out, make a 0. And then we have plus I times minus I gives us minus I squared. All right, now simplifying the top, remember that I squared is the same as negative 1. So we'll get 36 minus 13I minus 1 divided on the bottom by 81. Again, I squared is minus 1, so we have minus a negative 1 is a positive 1. Okay, so finally, on the top we get 35, combining our like terms, minus 13i, and on the bottom, and on the bottom we get 82. Now oftentimes these problems want you to write it in the form ai plus b, and to do that we can just separate the terms, dividing each one of them by 82. So our final answer here would be negative 13 over 82i plus 35 over 82. Okay, if you do have any questions on that, just leave a comment below, or feel free to message me. I'd be happy to answer any other questions on this.